Powers and exponents. The base and the exponent create the power. Powers are mathematical expressions that mean repeated multiplication. The base is the number that is repeated. The exponent tells how many times to repeat the base. The power 3 to the 4th power means 3 repeated 4 times and can be written like 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. There are 3 ways to write powers. Exponent form. This means using 5, the insert key 3, or 5 to the 3rd power. Expanded form. This is writing it out as a multiplication sentence, 5 times 5 times 5. Or standard form, 125. This is the product of the expanded form. It is very important to organize your math when finding standard form. The associative property of multiplication says we can group the factors of multiplication problems. 4 to the 5th power, we can group 4 times 4 and 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16, so now we have 16 times 16 times 4. 16 times 16 is 256. Multiplied by 4 gives us 1024. 2 to the 6th power, which is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. We can group the 2's into 3 sets of 2. 2 times 2 is 4, so that gives us a number sentence of 4 times 4 times 4. We can group 2 of the 4's together to get 16 times 4. 16 times 4 is 64. Reading special powers. 4 to the 2nd power can be read as either 4 to the 2nd power or 4 squared. 5 to the 3rd power can be read as 5 to the 3rd power or 5 cubed.